Are we ready to rumble? Yeah, I think we're ready to rumble. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to do something. Okay, it's going. We're getting there. One step at a time. Anyways, we are here. How was everyone's weekend? I feel like that's important, right? Ooh, I'll do it tomorrow morning. Rather. Let's do it tomorrow morning, rather. Ah. Now, let us quickly sort out... What am I doing? I'm doing things. That's what I'm doing. I feel like I missed some good stuff. Did I? Huh, not really. Oh wow, I missed nothing this morning. Never mind. I didn't miss much, apparently. A little bit disappointing. I kind of thought there would have been some really cool stuff happening. I don't know why, but... Anywho's. Hey, Curix, how you doing? How was your weekend? Sorry I missed this morning. Y'all, life of owning horses is a bit of a pain in the butt sometimes, but at least I'm here. At least we're doing this and we are ready to go. Are you guys ready to go? I'm kind of excited. I think today's gonna be awesome. Okay. What do we have? So I guess here's kind of a point of interest. Let's see if it goes back that far. Broke highs. We are just at all-time highs now, aren't we? Yep. Cool. I don't know how I feel about this. Hey Mohammed, how's it going? Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the all-time highs. Part of me is excited because it's quite exciting. Another part of me is like, let's see what happens next. So just marking up points of interest. What happened today at 10? There wasn't news today, right? Danish, hey, how's it going? What's up? I know Mondays are chilled, but like, really? Okay, let's zoom in, then it doesn't look so sad. You go like that, and you zoom in, and whoop, there we go. Now it looks like we're ready for business. Hey, Dark Angel. Oh, she's okay. Luckily, it's just when you live in a small town, you have to then drive so far, so the vets do not come out this side of the world, so you then have to organize transport and you have to drive an hour and a half that way for them to kind of go, oh yeah, it kind of looks like allergies. I'm like, that's great. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for that. Couldn't have told me that earlier, but it's fine. Point is, she's fine. She's home. She's happy. I wouldn't say she's healthy just yet, but we're good. Marzia, hi. How's it going? How was everyone's weekend? Maybe that's a better question. How's everyone's weekends going? How was everyone's weekend? Was it good? Let's rather start there with English, right? Hey Shibu, how's it going? Ethel, hey. How was the weekend? Did anyone trade London this morning? It looked a little bit meh. Nothing great. until 10. Then there was absolute madness. And then it just was rangy again, so yeah. Nice, guys. Dark Angel, how was the rest of your weekend? I haven't even asked you the most important question, Dark Angel. How was the movie? Aw, that's amazing, Marzia. That is so cool. What do you do? Are you a waitress? Are you a chef? Receptionist? Sorry, I don't know. Oh, nice, Ethel. Amazing. Well done. Ah, hey from Croatia. That is so cool. I didn't, Dark Angel, I didn't. Oh. Was it so good though? See, now I kind of have to go. Oh. Now I'm gonna have to go. What? They're making 3 movies. I thought this was like the final thing. Seriously? Okay. I mean, I guess it's exciting. More to look forward to, right? Marzia, you're the help chef. Amazing. That is so cool. I'm kind of jealous. I say jealous. I am shocking at cooking, so I would never be able to do that. Rommel, am I friends with them? No. Not because I don't want to be, just I've never spoken to them. John, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Ooh. Oh, then that's awesome. That's awesome, Curix. Did you get that sell? Is that what happened? Pratik? No, I'm trading futures. Oh. Yeah, exactly. Oh, hey Iris, that's so cool. Well, welcome. As another South African, Curix is also from South Africa, by the way. Who else? There's a few people from South Africa here. It's really, really cool. I really did not know a lot of South Africans traded. I'm also in KZN. But Dark Angel, 100%. If they're gonna do it, they better do it correct. How long was the movie, by the way? Is it like an hour and a half? Is it 2 hours? Just out of curiosity. Ooh. Wait. So you're Dutch. Did you move to South Africa? Okay, Iris, so this is gonna sound wild. I lived in Hoedspruit for 5 years. I went to the Bush School there for 5 years. That is wild, okay. Why'd you come down to KZN then? Hey Sammy, how's it going? Oh, sorry, Curix. Oh, sorry, Curix. Yeah, Iris, how cool. I loved Hoedspruit, just hot as hell, but oh, the bush, it's beautiful. And yeah, now I'm in KZN. Bob, hey, how was your weekend? It's gonna be 4 movies. Wait, John, is it 3 movies left to make? So they're making 3 more and this was just the first one that came out now? Which obviously then in total is 4. So Iris, why did you move to KZN? I know you're here for a year, but why did you move here? Out of curiosity. You don't have to. Sorry, I'm getting all personal now. Hey Jose, how's it going? And DJ? Hi, how are you? Oh, that makes sense, John. That does make sense. Okay. Only True Trader. Hi, how are you doing? And Fabian, hi, how are you? Wanting to see something. And God bless USA. Interesting name. Very cool. Only true trader, you know what, I can't complain. I'm a little bit bummed that I missed the London session this morning. It looks like it was a very interesting session. Well, not in the beginning, it looked very boring in the beginning, but after that drop at 10, oh my goodness, well, 10 a.m. for me, sorry, South African time. Yeah. Super bummed I missed it. However, we do now have 3 minutes to go until New York Open. Are we gonna keep climbing for the highs? What do we think is gonna happen today, guys? We're gonna keep climbing? We're gonna go down? Thoughts? Is today the day we start searching for that liquidity? Or are we just gonna keep pumping up? Oh, John, 100%. These Demon Slayer guys are sorted for life after this, honestly. Fabia, no, you didn't. No, not yet. I wasn't able to stream this morning, unfortunately. My horse had to go into the vet. So I missed London sessions. That was a big bummer. Did I meet AB de Villiers? No, I did not. No, I didn't. Oh, cool. Okay. Smart. That is awesome. Nice, Iris. So are you enjoying it? Or, yeah. Let's see. Right, only true trader. So I started as a New York Open trader only. And then now I do London and New York. Like I said, London actually, like, it has its days, but then again, so does New York. So, but I've actually not been hating London. I thought I would find it really boring after trading New York sessions. I was dead wrong. Actually found it quite fun. Curix, you think we're in buyers? You think it's just going to keep going up again? Oh, and Iris is bullish. Let's see. Oh, curious. Okay, that makes sense. Sorry. Hey, Capital Trading Concepts. How you doing? How's the trading day been going for you? Oh, thanks, Fabian. Yeah, no, she'll be fine. She'll be fine, I hope. But for now, she's fine. It was just, it was so fun. It was such a, yeah. It was a long day, guys, but I'm glad to be here. I'm glad I made it back in time. There was a moment where I was like, I'm just not going to be able to trade today. I wanted to have a meltdown, but we're here. We're good. We're good to go. Ooh, apple butter. That has been the question. Ooh. Ooh. Okie dokie. Let's see what happens. Yeah, was there news at my time 10? Is that what that massive drop down candle? And hey, Diamante, how you doing? You think we're gonna go up? Okay, Dark Angel. So you think bullish. Let's see. Nox, why do you say it was a weird candle? Out of curiosity. Go on. Tell me what you've been learning. Good morning, Diamante. How was the London session? For you, how was it? Oh, cool, capital trading concepts. Awesome. Also, well done on your payout. That is so cool. Aw, thank you for the sub. Hey, oh, sorry, Nox, did I put you under pressure there? I'm sorry. Yeah, I saw it barely moved until 10. Then there was that drop down. Okay, Marzia. Ooh, Nox. Okay, so guys, Nox is very new to trading. Okay, so if I have to stop and explain, it's because Nox genuinely wants to learn and I'm still learning, so it's really cool for me to help explain things. It helps. But Nox, so you're South African, so 3:30 p.m. is when New York opens, and in general, if you go back in the weeks, you can see that the volume in the New York session is way more hectic than the volume in the Asia and London sessions. So that's why New York Open is 3:30. It's why I tend not to at least trade the first 5 minutes of New York Open, just so that the volatility can just calm down a little bit. To be fair, there's been crazier candles. Maybe one day well, let's see, Nox. Keep watching. I'm sure you'll see some absolute madness. When it comes to opening in New York sessions, it can be quite fun. So what I used to do, I'm not doing it anymore because it was just a bad idea. I used to do like a degen trade, you know, just get it out there. At opening, I'll be like, oh, I think we're going to be bearish today, and just set up a trade, and either it was correct or it was not. I think I only did that for 7 days, and I was like, this is just dumb. I think I won once, and I was like, nah, it's not worth it. Yeah, Fabian. I've heard everyone's been super excited for that. Thanks, Diamante. Yeah, I know. It's a bit, it's crazy. I mean, it's exciting. I still have to go and organize the shark thing. I think the sardine run is just still on, so I don't know. I want to go back, or else I'm gonna keep like promising you guys sharks, and then the sardines are just messing up everything. So yes, that's what we're doing. I'm now still waiting to properly fulfill my promise. I did attempt to fulfill my promise. You can't say I didn't try, but I need to properly fulfill my promise of going swimming with the sharks. No, Nox, yeah, it's at 3:30. Okay, Mars, yeah, I will wait a little bit, don't worry. Ooh, apple butter, it's hard sometimes. It's almost like the FOMO and everything. Yeah, I mean, you've seen. Sometimes I've hopped into a trade and I'm like, that was a mistake. But we're in it. Are we just gonna be choppy today? I kind of hope not. I really hope. Again, I wouldn't have taken this purely, like I said, I'd at least wait 5 minutes when it comes to New York Open just to let the markets settle down a little bit. It's purely out of curiosity, because there actually has been a few times. I think I need to backtest this and get the correct figures. Like, is it 50% accuracy, or is it worth doing this? That in the open, when there is a bit of a retracement, it actually keeps going. So it might be worth getting in these retracements, but I would have to backtest that, so let's not do that today. If this goes for the win, that'll be quite cool. Obviously, I'm not in the trade, but, you know, you can never stop forward testing. Hey Arthur, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. 8 p.m. Oh, good question, Fabian. Let me think about that. What time is it here? Thanks, Nox. Yeah, guys. If you wouldn't mind pressing like, that would be amazing. Thank you. Ooh, listen, only true trader here. We call NQ the diva. Because, yeah, that is indeed what it is. It is a proper diva. And sometimes you're like, oh no, it's definitely gonna do this. Guess what it does not do? Anything you flipping wanted to. Okay. Economic trend if we don't reverse. Interesting, Iris. Okay. Boom banana. Hey, how's it going? Oh, guys, it would have been a win. I must seriously consider backtesting this a little bit. I mean, it's not out of the cards. I can give it a go. Why not? I mean, it is right here. Boom, you won 5 trades this morning or before New York Open. Also, whoop whoop for you. You get whoop whoops. Well done. So you're having a great week so far, and it's only Monday. Only true trader, that's facts. Our all-time highs are terrifying. Ah, sorry, Boom. But you should have, honestly. Just, you know, just come here. Can use my setup. It's fine. Just stream on my behalf. It's okay. Really? Why? Right, capital trades. That would have been amazing. Like I said, I think I need to go and backtest this actually when it comes to New York Opens, when there is a little bit of a retracement. Yeah, I'll have to backtest it to see if it's worth it or not. Because there has been some days where it works beautifully like this, and then there's other days where it just goes no. It just goes the complete opposite direction. Huh, that's weird. But banana clearly upset someone. Oh, just saying, just saying. Yeah, Fabian, I am very much for everyone must do what works best for them. That's it. If ICT works for you, awesome. If it doesn't, awesome. You know, everyone sees things differently. Every strategy works. It's just if you, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh my gosh. English has left the building. It's just if you execute them properly. That's it. English gone, guys. Clearly it's Monday. Oh, that's it. I didn't have coffee today. That's why. I was out of here so early this morning to rush to the horse that I didn't have coffee. No wonder, guys. Huh. Diamante. To the moon. You think it's just gonna keep popping off to the moon now. Okay. This would not have been an entry. I wonder if this would have been an entry. Mm. Yeah, these all-time highs are scary. There's no, like, point of interest or liquidity points or anything. Dark Angel, Bob, how's it looking for you guys? Anything decent? Is Deadwolf here? No, Deadwolf hasn't said hi. Ooh. Yes, looks like it's wanting to drop a little bit though, so that's great. Sorry, Dark Angel, I was asking if it potentially looks like there's anything decent for a setup for you. Oh, damn, okay. Nice, Fabian. So ES is dropping down pretty quickly. So this would have been a tap in here by taking this trade. Sorry guys, I feel like I'm sitting like an absolute, I just want to say banana. An absolute chop. Okay, now let's see. A little bit of liquidity below. Iliam? Hi, David, what is my trading style? So I use some ICT and SMC concepts, and this is my own little strategy I have for myself. It's a 1 to 2 R, so it's pretty decent. Around a 40% win rate with the 2R. It's pretty good. You end up being in the green touchwood most of the time, unless you have a bad week like someone had last week. I had a bad week last week, but I ended good. We ended decently last week. I was chuffed with how we ended last week. Oh right, sorry Dark Angel, sorry. Brain. How's Bob? Is Bob in on a trade? Ooh, okay. Only true trader? Literally all the ones that are up there. Wait, let's do that. No, other way. There we go. All of them support South Africa, as well as Tradeify also supports South Africa. So this would have been a loss. Ooh, okay. Marzia, you're in. What are you in on? Long or short? David, I am trading. I'm just waiting for confirmation before I jump into anything, because I'm looking at ES, so I go market structure. No, Bob, I saw your message. I responded. I did respond. I will find videographic evidence of me responding. I'm just saying. Just saying. But anyways, how long have I been trading? Only since April. So I'm still baby. I'm still learning. That's why you guys are helping me out. Oh, Banana, I will follow you. Then you'll have to. Marzia, you're in a long. Okay. Oh, then ES swept. I saw ES has swept now. That's why I'm kind of waiting. I'm waiting for confirmation. Yeah, so Tradeify does, Bulonox does, Earn to Trade does, Funding Ticks. I mean, yeah, like I said, all of them do. So, you know, if you guys want to support, I now officially have affiliates, so that's super exciting. You'll see them popping up on the screen, coming in and out. Yes, I don't know if you saw them. If you want to use code TEACHMAYA, it would be quite helpful, and you guys get a cool discount. So, if you want to, though. There we go. There they've popped up. I heard something falling from the roof. I hope that was not a gecko. The geckos here scare me on a daily. Not because I'm scared of them. I pick them up. It's awesome, but literally I'll open the curtain and then one of them will just fall, and obviously I'm not expecting a lizard. Anyways, I'm not expecting a lizard to just fall out from the sky. So yes, they give me heart attacks on the daily. Just saying. Boom. After this, I will. I promise. David, what reference points do I look like? Okay, so David, in particular, obviously I look for liquidity. It's a bit difficult to do with all-time highs. But in general, I look, so the A+ trader. Sorry, my brain is working too fast for my mouth. So my A+ setups generally have around 3 confluences that I try and look at. In general, there's a fair value gap, an order block, and not always, but if the VWAP is there, that's also great. Almost as a confirmation that we will retest and hopefully shoot back up. Are all trades like that? Nope. And I tend to do the ranges. So as you saw, I had this one set up here to there. Would have been a loss. So my entry is at the 50%. My stop loss is at 30% of the 50%. So you see, it would have just wicked me out. However, if I had expanded my range to there, to the bottom of this range right here. Again, this is where I'll jump between the time frames and have a look for the different confluences. That again would have been a decent win. So there is a little bit of discretion. You can't just go, oh, this range, oh, this range. You have to kind of, this is where the confluences come in, as well as knowledge of the markets, I guess. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of hearts. I'm sorry. And yeah, basically market structure, David. That's it. Market structure. Until there's a break of structure, just stick with market structure, right? Diamante, don't fight the trend. Yes, that's exactly it. Diamante, you think so? I know, I'm low-key waiting for a shift down, but it looks like it just wants to push today. So I mean, like you said, why fight the trend? If the trend is going bullish, go bullish. Oh, Marzia, how's it looking for you? You're in a bullish, right? Oh my gosh. Sorry, just as I asked. Whoop whoop. Amazing, Marzia. Well done. That's amazing. Hey. Well done. Ilian, can you ask me one thing? Of course you can. What's up? Oh, to David. Oh, fine. Okay. I'll leave you alone. Whoop whoop indeed, Marzia. That is amazing. Well done. Where was your entry at? we run away. Okay. Let's see, we're gonna keep running away. We're gonna have a little bit of a retracement back down. Maybe I should focus for 2 seconds, guys. Just a thought. Oh, flip, Bob, you are in... Hey, Bongani, what's up? Bob, this 200-point stop loss. Yeah, you're in cells, right? Can you not get 200 points? Damn. Bongani, what's up? What happened? 24196. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful entry. Oh, nice, Marzia. That is amazing. That is stunning. I hope you are super happy with that. Okay. This, if it goes this far down, I don't know. This seems to have run away quite far. But this could potentially be a decent one. Let's just set this up and then I'll quickly go and find confirmation that it is indeed good to go. I think it's just running away, but that looks really good. I just don't think it's going to come that far down again. Ooh. Potentially. Okay, I'm not hating the setup. I just don't know if it's going to come that far down to tag me in. But it's set up, right? Let's see what it does now. Okay, Marzio, you don't have to. I know you probably have your own strategy, right? But let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't know if it'll come this far down. Let's wait and see. What time is it? I'm just watch out for the 10 o'clock candle. So I know I keep jumping between like South Africa and EST time, sorry. Did I ever use order flow? I did not. Is it an indicator? Is it useful, David? Fabian, yes, I'm trading a prop account. Ah, sorry, Hurex. Why, what's it doing? Is it kind of chopping about, or what's it doing? What up? And can you not just tell it to get a grip or something? I don't know. So you can like call someone and be like, can you sort this out, please, and things. Anyone got any contacts? Okay. I keep wanting to scroll and see if it's taken something or hit an order block or all-time highs are fun. But, right, Diamante, like you said, don't fight the trend. Until there's confirmation that it's shifted, we are bullish today. So we stay bull biased. Oh, damn. Okay, Curix, that's not fun to be trading in. But do you have like a long-term trade open? Doc Angel? Oh, David, is it kind of like the Sierra charts? Is that... yeah? That kind of what I'm getting? Oh, this consolidation is freaking me out. Oh well. Do you mind telling me being blonde? What's FOMC? Is that like a news thing? Oh, Curix. Okay, so you're not in yet. Okay, cool. Just checking. Oh no. Okay. I don't think it's gonna come back this far. I can try. What do you want to see? More of this? What would you like bigger? I mean, I can also do that. That better? Ooh, do you know what? So I'm wanting... I'm very scared. But I'm wanting to try and... wait. Jose, are you on the vertical or the horizontal stream? Oh, thanks, Doc Angel. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be amazing. Thank you. Oh, okay. So the horizontal is bigger. Okay. Okay. See, now I have to make this very fun, difficult decision of, do we try and stick this big range? No, I don't think so. I mean, it's a potential for maybe, but I'm gonna leave this over there for now. I did not think that was gonna come back. But now we can just pop in here a little bit more. Okay. 120%. This scares me. The all-time highs do scare me. Like, they're fun and exciting, but terrifying. Oh no. Oh, is it the 10 a.m. shift, Dark Angel? Is this gonna be it? Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. I'm a little bit scared with this one. Let's see. Oh no. Like the fair value gap on this one. I don't know why I said value like that, but engulfing candle. It's a push down on ES. Okay. Who also VWAP? David, bring up session VWAP. My guy, VWAP is there. VWAP is up. It's just all the way at the bottom. Stick with trend, stick with trend, stick with trend. I'm just gonna stick with trend, guys. It's fine. Sorry, I feel like I may have missed some things. Apologies if I did. Apple butter. Yes, it's a bit scary. Just a tad. Oh, no. Just a tad bit. It's a bit late now, but this one. The 953. I mean, I could add a little bit more of a cushioning. Or not. No? Let's see. In all honesty, I think if it's coming down now, it's coming down properly. I'm waiting for it. Oh, it's tapped into something on ES. Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. I was gonna say the hesitation down is promising. Let's see, this one literally could go either way. Oh, okay, so Dark Angel, you're trying to catch it before it comes down. This might be the down. Potentially. This might be the down. It's just hands off now, guys. It's just hands off. Hands off. Hands off. Hey, sorry. Sorry, Dark Angel. That's what you mean. I'm sorry. I thought you meant you were trying to catch this. And I was like, that doesn't sound like your strategy. Sorry, I have such an itchy nose. I think there's so much this is going to sound weird. So much grass and hay up my nose. It's a good thing I don't get hay fever. Damn, I would be so screwed. Oh, thanks, Michelle. Thank you. Yeah. Super exciting, right? Marjan, I'm confused. What do you mean? I did not buy a top. Or yes. I'm confused. Explain? Oh, this is very quickly headed for a loss. If it goes back to break even, I might call it. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna hit up that far though. Oh, I just keep hands off, right? Hands off. When in doubt, hands off. Valid. Okay, fine. Dog Angel. Good, good. Yep. Just hands off, leave it alone. Yeah, Marajan, that's how it always works. And then if I had closed now, it would have just kept going up. But because I did not close, you know, possibility of it coming to tag me out is really high. Because the market knows everything. Exactly. Okay, thanks. Okay, guys, go. Oh, I'm like a teeny tiny bit of a chop, aren't I? This is fun. Oh. There we go, there's the 50% mark. Now I can go to break even, so either way it's a good trade. Right? Eee. What is my strategy? So my strategy is one of my own, I guess you could say. So yes, as you said, Marjan, I go with the trend. 50% entry. Dark Angel, sorry, I've actually never thought about that. That's actually a very valid point. Thank you. Sorry. Thanks. I never even thought about that. I was just like, it's that 50%, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, actually, that's really, really valid. Sorry, basically draw top of the range, bottom of the range. 50% is the entry level, 30% of the 50% is stop loss, and 2R up is take profit. And I tend to, when it is around the 50% level, go to break even. You know, mitigate risk. Risk management is important. So that's what I do. So if it is a break even now, it is what it is. Because I use proper. Oh no, Thomas. That's not good. Haroon? Okay. Break even, but that's okay. I can deal with break even. Let's see if it would have gone up for a win, but it kind of looks like we're just chopping one out right now. Haroon, what orb indicator is that? It not? So it's I just use again. I know some people call it the... So there's two, they look very similar. So here's a fib retracement. I use again. Much of a muchness, and I guess it also depends on what levels you put in. But yeah, I just use a little GAN. David, I saw something on Facebook. You are welcome. Sorry, I hope that helps. Okay, so we appear to look like we are wanting a shift. I don't know if that was proper English at all. It appears that it looks like there wants to be a slight shift on ES. Okay. NQ right now is just chopping away. Yeah, that's exactly it, Thomas. Okay. So I've been curious about the bigger ranges. I do not know if this one is valid. Dark Angel, do you have a setup? How's it looking for you? Oh, damn. Okay. Thomas, that's not good. Ugh. Sorry, Dark Angel. It is Monday. Mondays... yeah. How about this fair value gap? So like this type of entry, let's see, 2 minute. How about that? Or which time frame are you looking at, Dark Angel? Again, I do not hate this trade. It's got a fair value gap over here. It even has on the 2 minute. Check out this excellent freaking order block. Ugh, that's not right. That's not what I wanted to do. Flip, I don't know. It is bullish, and I do have those two really decent confluences. There's also a bit of a shelf, if you would. I guess you could call it a support area right here. I kind of have to make this decision now, don't I? Oh, Thomas, sorry. I thought you meant stopped out like stop loss taken and you've lost 4K? Sorry, my bad. That's amazing. There we go. I misread that. I'm so sorry. Okay, profit. I didn't read the profit bit. I'm sorry. Interesting, Marjan. What's your strategy, by the way? Yeah, sorry, Thomas. That's my bad. Only true trader. I'm sorry. What do you use, by the way? Are you what's it called? ICT, or what's your method? What's your choice? Guys, what do you think about this trade? Is this do we think this is a valid trade? Like I said, I normally go for the smaller ranges. I've done 2 larger ranges. One would have been a win. I chickened out. So it was a break even. The other one was a loss. A little bit conflicted right now. I agree, Dark Angel. I think this could be a different trade. Okay, well, you know what? We're giving it a try. I'm so sorry. English is failing me. Do you see halfway through the sentences I'm just like, oh, okay. I just give up. I'm like, yeah, it is what it is. Ooh. This is a decent 20 pointer. For the stop loss. Which means that's a 40 point trade. Let's see what happens. I do like this trade. Let's see. I've had it before where I've liked it and it just completely disrespected everything. So I'm hoping this is correct. And I can't say it's taken out any highs because, well, we're at all-time highs right now. Thomas K, isn't that kind of like orb trading? I just know people do different orbs. Some people do 5 minutes, some people do 15 minutes. Is it not kind of the same idea? It sounds like a 1 hour orb. I mean, yes and no, Marjan. It did not stop me out and then go up. It went up, I got a break even, and then it kind of went down. But let's see if it continues to go down. Or if it's going to now shift back up, because now it looks like it wants to go back up on ES. Only true trader, you do ICT. Awesome. And I'm assuming, I'm assuming is going well. Seeming as you are the only true trader, right? Chris Witcher, hi, how's it going? Dark Angel, seeming as you're responding to me and Bob's not talking to me. Anyways, sassy Bob. Just kidding. How's it looking for Bob? Okay, Thomas. Okay, so do you do like, how many trades a day do you do? One a day and one and done? That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. And Chris, you're looking at longing 24202. And no, don't go there, because then I get stopped out. You can't, don't want it there. Come on. Honestly. Listen, only true trader. I feel like all of us can be better, and all of us can improve. If it's not just with our strategy, it's with our discipline in taking the strategy, or whatever the case may be. There's always room for improvement when it comes to trading. I know I haven't been trading very long, but it is what I have noticed. Oh, boom. No, man. Okay, boom, bananas and cells. Let's see. Where's your TP at, Boom? Okay. My bad. Okay, Bob yelled at me. I'm gonna go cry in a corner now. Bob yelled. It's okay. I'll live. Should change his name to Silent Bob. Oh my goodness. Ah, interesting, Thomas. Okay. Hey, Fishcat Zombie, thank you. Okay, well, good luck for your setup. I hope you have amazing trades. If I'm still streaming once your trade has happened, you must come let me know how it goes. Interesting. Okay. What time frames do you trade, Marjan? And Boom Banana just made one. Whoop whoop boom. Sorry, I never whoop whoop you. Whoop whoop, well done. I'm proud of you. I'm just salty. Ooh, only true trader. Okay, how long have you been trading? Out of curiosity. And that psychology part. Oh my gosh. yeah. So like I said, I've been trading since April. I think I only started taking the psychology properly serious. That's sure. We'll go with that's English. I only started taking the psychology seriously like middle of August. So I've only been properly practicing the psychology behind it for like a month. And it's hard. Oh, blue 60. There we go. Only since April, so what's that? Going on 7 months? 7 months? 6 months. Okay, well, it's... Okay. It's right by my entry, let's see. Boom, banana! I am very proud, okay? Okay, good. So you're an order book scalper, 1 minute time frame, amazing. And what type of setup do you have, Marjan? Is it like a what odds do you have? So you don't have to respond. I'm curious about these things. Anyways, trading for 2 years, taking it serious like March. So yeah, okay, yeah, that sounds about right. I think the second you actually take it seriously mentally, that's when you started trading. So March, nice. So a month before me then, theoretically. Oh, nice, Chris. Okay, and well, I mean, I know you took your wife for dinner the other day because you had a great, successful day. How was it, by the way? Was it breakfast? Boom Banana, what's up? Addie, are you live too? That's so cool. You guys want to go support Addie? That would be awesome, right? We are all supportive here, right? We all want what's... I want to say what's best for one another. I like to think so. Oh, Boom, how is the horse? Shame. She's okay, luckily. It was just... yeah. Essentially allergies. Yeah. So that's fun. It's just everything here is really far away, so it's not a quick just call the vet out because the vets do not travel this far out, so yeah. Is it gonna miss me by a tick? Oh, nope, just because I was being a brat, it tagged me in. Okay, let's see what happens now. Maybe I should stop watching what's happening there because I gave it attitude and it went Yeah, Thomas, I've heard the spreads are not great. Again, I've never traded that, so I can't have much of an opinion when it comes to that. Docs, yes. You had smoked bison? That sounds really interesting. I don't know. Like, part of my heart just broke because I'm like, oh, but bison are so cute. But then again, like, I mean, I eat hamburgers and things and cows are cute, so I must just shut up. Mula, hey. Pat, hi. Sorry, I did see your message and then I got distracted. How are you doing, Pat? How are you? Thanks, Fabian. Thank you for being supportive. Oh, apple butter. You being awfully quiet there in the background. How's it looking for you? I love tech. So, 1, but 2. Okay, so 1 is properly mine. That is Finn. I've shown you guys Finn. So he is my boy. The other one, is basically mine. The owners live far away and I just train her and I'm working with her. But she's basically my horse, but she's not my horse. So theoretically, I have 2 horses, but 1 is probably mine. Chris Witcher, I tend to agree with you. Mostly because I tend to do better under pressure. That sounds weird, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna take what Dark Angel said into consideration. I'm gonna wait for it to close. The candle must close around the 50% to make it valid to go break even. Well, we have 28 seconds. Let's see. See, I wasn't watching. No, Fabian, no. Well, my horse used to be a racehorse. He only did 2 races. He was not very fast. He just looks too big and solid to be a racehorse. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm pretty sure I can go break even now, because that definitely closed above the 50% area. And now it looks like it's wanting to come down. But again, if it's a break even, then it's fine. Oh, no, LP, did it miss you? I'm so sorry. That sucks. I'm so sorry. But we'll break even now. That's cool. Thomas K? Damn, who wants to take me for a shopping spree? I'm expensive because I have horses. Then again, my expensive for overseas is probably cheap. We're having this discussion about how someone paid apple butter. Wasn't it you? You said you paid $30 for a pizza. Like, a single pizza, or let's say 2 pizzas down here are $5. So, yeah. Chris, if you want some information on different props, feel free to pop me an email and I can give you some more information on the new affiliates, because they all have some specials going on. I know Earn to Trade has a 60% discount for their 9th birthday currently happening. So that's really cool. I think it's actually starting today. So that's awesome. Also, is Perry's Steakhouse good? Hi. What the heck was that? What just happened? Okay. What? Okay. Cool, I'm glad it's not just me that's like, huh? So... Dang, gangs. Oh my gosh, that was cool. Yeah, okay, so at least apple butter, it still wouldn't have hit my stop, but that would have made me terrified. That would have made me a little bit scared. What on earth? Oh, it was the order block. LP, did you still have it open or did you close the trade? Because this would have tagged you in. Cool, 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 cool. That's something, I guess. I mean, I shouldn't be complaining about break evens, but I mean, it's not wins. Like, But break evens aren't bad. That was just a touch of insanity. Right, Nox? No, the market's mean. I mean, maybe someone checked. Did the orange Teletubby say something to upset the markets? I don't know. Did something happen? Oh no! LP, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Wesley. Thank you. Oh, interesting. I love tech. Israel like daily or per trade? So per trade it's 1 to 2 hours, so 2 hour win, yay. I'm grumpy as hell right now. Because it is still going up, up, and away. Is it? I'm a little bit nervous after that. Damn. Okay, I was not expecting that to do that. Maybe new rule. Move stop at 75% to TP. I know, Dark Angel. I need to find the courage to do it. I think that 50% then gives me a cushioning, and I'm like, fine then. But you're right, because I was looking at around the 80%, so maybe it is. You just go break even when it hits this line. Because then I would still be in, right? It's something I'll have to go and backtest and have a look at and see if it's worth it. But having this discussion with people, is it worth going break even? Because sometimes, yes, it is. Thanks, Marzio. No, you're right. Hey, Mango, how's it going? Thoughts on X-Seller pre-sale? No thoughts, because I do not know. Oh, I can't do anything. That's annoying. Tradeify has instant funding. Funding ticks, if I'm not mistaken, has instant funding. Okay. Okay, sorry. Give me 2 seconds. That hurt my brain cells for a minute. Thomas K, did you just say dinner was $350? Give me a minute. Give me 2 seconds here. Do you know how expensive that is in South Africa? Just like, shall we just? Okay, so in South Africa, that, I don't know if you guys can see, is over 6,000 Rand. Yeah, I'm double check because the exchange rate keeps flipping changing. 2,000 rand. Do you see I'm actually speechless a little bit right now? What the heck? Marjan. Okay, yes, you were correct. You were correct. Okay. Anyways, now that I've had my moment about that, like I said, guys, theoretically, South Africans for you will seem ridiculously cheap because the exchange rate is fantastic for you guys. That's why if I ever go there, I'm screwed because it is so expensive. Oh my gosh. But anyways, back to the trading. Let's do this. So first things first, Chris Witcher, you said you find take interesting, Chris. Okay, I'll have a look at that. David and Iliam are having their own conversation here, which is cool. You guys, I hope it's a good one. Wesley, I don't know if you saw this. Blue 60 is asking you a question. He's asking where you got that information from. And yeah. Envy, use Vault Funder. Okay. Why? Ketchup? I want to say ketchup, but that's not right. Ketchup. Yes, I'm trading everyday life, both London and New York sessions. I'm here every day, except for weekends, obviously. Can't trade weekends. Nox? Not that I know of on TradingView. There are different platforms for trading. I know Sierra, I don't know if you'd be able to see those exact numbers, but Sierra is pretty cool and it shows quite a few different things. I'm just intimidated by Sierra charts. I've kind of looked into them. They look cool. I think it's just a bit of information overload. Oh my gosh. So if you ever want to go for holidays, you must just go where there's, you know, Filipino pesos and you'll be sorted. You could probably get a lot of things. Happy chappy, right? Oh, there we go. Okay, David says on footprint chart, you can see it. Oh, okay, buy the shot and a win. Whoop whoop, well done. That's amazing. I'm gonna kind of wait for it to stop chopping. Is it going to? I don't know, but let's see. I mean, I did try 2 trades today. Both of them break even, unfortunately, but at least I placed the trades right. Market Maker 101. What do I trade? I trade Nasdaq futures. Yay! Ketchup, that's awesome. Thank you. That would be amazing. I nearly knocked my water over. There's technology around here. Maybe let's close the lid. Well, I've not drunk enough, so that'll should maybe be better. Huh, Marjan. Okay, interesting. And thank you, Wesley. I did not know that. Another jack. No losses for me today. Only break evens. Well, this one looks like it's gonna climb up for a win. So that's just grand. Damn, I could have done this. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, hey? I'm waiting to see if this would have been a win. Is it gonna climb that far up? Let's see. Oh no, what happened? Okay, Marjan, explain. God, was it just one of those days? Shall we recall my Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday last week? I will take the break-evens any day. It's fine. Thomas K, NQ and... Well, okay, again, I do not... Oh, I haven't looked into gold. I've heard it's quite fun. Especially during the London session. Gold can be quite fun. So that's really awesome. I will need to go and have a look at it though. I think I'm trying to get... How do I put this? I'm trying to get good. I'm aware that's not great English, but I'm trying to get really good on one before I start jumping around to different platforms. Different... like ES and gold. I'm trying to get really good on the Nasdaq before I start jumping around to different ones. Apple butter, so you got into the long on ES and you hate... Why? Why are you hating that? Nox, am I right in thinking it'll help understand if there's a manipulation or if it's a real trend? Yes. Nox, 100%. Yeah, so I watch ES because I know these two tend to drive each other. So here is ES, it is open on the other side, and it gives me an indication of what might potentially happen. So yeah, this nice climb up that I should still be in, but I'm not. It's fine. At least I know I had the right idea, right? That's what's important. And then I will need to start really considering only moving to break even when it's a little bit higher up. It's just a bit scary, but it's fine. Another Jack. Do I like Kung Fu? I don't know why. I mean, I used to do kickboxing. I don't know if that, but that's not Kung Fu. That's very different. Thank you, only true trader. 100%. No losses is still good. Marijan, you can't just... Okay, explain. Marijan, I think you need to explain that a little bit further. You can't just say it and then, like, exit chat. Israel helps me with my entries and exit. It gives me a little bit more of a certain point of entry, if that makes sense, and then I must just stick to it. Marjan, wouldn't they manipulate to try and get more money? Wouldn't that be a pretty decent reason to try and manipulate the market? Try and manipulate people's emotions to try and get more money coming in? Apple butter, but it's still moving in your direction. Where's your TP at? Oh, thanks, another Jack. Why are you offering to come and teach me Kung Fu? That could be quite fun. I would enjoy learning Kung Fu. Just saying. Ooh, apple butter, noise. Only 2 trade, I'm sorry. But that's okay, right? Every trade, even if it's not a winning trade, is still a lesson. That's right. Oh, Thomas K. Oh, Here's a test for me. Is NQ or ES the leader? I used to believe ES was the leader. Now I actually really don't know. I'm starting to believe that they just kind of drive each other. Please tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me what you think. I would love to know, because this has actually been a question I've asked a few times. Like, sometimes the charts don't match up at all. Like now, there's this big drop down on NQ. Okay, now it's following. But then, which chart do you believe? Do you believe ES or do you believe NQ? I know then people then tend to say, stick with the chart that you are trading on. Don't listen to the other one. But there's a reason it's open, right? Because they do drive each other. So, Thomas, yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Marzia, you think it's going to keep going long? Marzia, I agree with you. It just had to wick me out first, which was really rude. Yeah, it was very unnecessary, but here we are. It's fine. Hey, if you buy or sell. Explain? What? Oh, Marzia, okay, interesting. Yeah, only true trader, sorry. But I think that's the only, how do I put this? The only type of mindset you can have, right? If you go, oh, it's a losing trade, then you get really bummed about it. If you go, okay, what did I do wrong? Or was it just bad luck? Or could I have entered at a different area? You know, why was it a loss? Then you start to look at it in a different perspective. Oh no, it's dropping down. Apple butter, how are you feeling? Oh, ooh, Mula, well done. I mean, I like trading view. I'm a little bit confused, Justin, but anyways. Blue 60. I'm not watching an ICT mentorship. I know that's going to upset some people. I'm not watching one. Hey, String Dimensions, how you doing? How was the trading today? You're welcome. Okay, Thomas, interesting. So they're corresponding with each other. So yes, so they just always drive each other, but NQ is usually faster than E. Oh, well, not right now. Doesn't feel like it right now. It feels like ES is doing. What I have noticed, which is why very often I've considered maybe just saying screw it and trading ES, is that ES looks a little bit more predictable, if you will. I don't know if those are the right words, but you know, sometimes when you say, oh, it looks like it's going to take this fair value gap, doesn't always do it on NQ, but most of the time it does it on ES. Again, I could be wrong. It's just kind of what I've observed. Correct me if you think I'm spewing rubbish. I'm here to learn. Think Stock Angel, thank you. apple butter, you know, a break even's fine, right? Break even's fine. Envy Shame, she's okay, thank you. As Nox like to giggle about, she kind of has hay fever from the move down this side, because she's also up from the Highveld side of South Africa, and now she's come down to the coast, and you know, I think it's super dusty, it's super humid, she's probably just not used to it, and she essentially has a cold. It was just lasting too long, so had to take her to the vet. Thank you. I'm glad I'm right. Okay. But it is for that reason that sometimes I do want to sometimes just say screw it and just trade ES instead of NQ. But like I said, I want to master NQ. I don't think you can ever master the markets, but let's see. Is it just gonna keep chopping? What do we think is gonna happen, guys? Yeah, this would have been a win. Interesting. This would have been the absolute teeny tiniest range. Probably not worth that at all. Oh, Brandon, okay, you think it's going to go down now? Oh, interesting. Thanks, David. Yeah, that's exactly it, Marathon. I'm trying to master one asset on my 1 minute, one time frame. Yeah, one trade at a flipping time, apparently. So here we go. And now we wait and see. So, Brandon, you think it's going to start breaking down now? Why? Sorry, that sounded judgy. I'm just curious about why do you say that? Thomas K, that is... I kind of love that. That is amazing. Okay, Brandon, okay. So you think now it's gonna start melting? Oh, let's see if it does. Sorry guys, this is Monday. Well, Mondays, right? Mondays. Mondays just are what they are sometimes. Aww. Thanks, Hamid. That's really sweet. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Thanks. You guys are so special. Thank you. Apple butter, are you still in this, by the way? I apologize. I do think you told me. Where's your TP at, apple butter? Ooh, it's hitting a lot of resistance there. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, okay, so there's whole conversations going on that I can't understand, but that's fine. If you guys are helping each other out, go for it. Boom banana, what? This is fun. I don't know what you're talking about. This is so much fun. There we go. I hope Hamid sees that. That's a wave for him. Ooh, okay. 6685. Come again? Did you just say 85? As in up here? 85? Okay, cool. Okay, heavy resistance. Now we do kind of wait. Sorry, guys. Let's see if something does pop up. Okade's not here, but we listen to Okade when he says don't diddle in the middle. And right now it's just choppy and it's not worth it. I mean, how big are these candles anyways? 8-point candles. Yeah. They are just not worth trading right now. No, Thomas K, that was a beautiful. I love that explanation. That was awesome. I loved it. Okay. Which are very rangy. Let's see if it starts to melt, like Brandon said. Oh. Thomas K, that's... I actually didn't know that, but I guess that kind of makes sense. Okay, we're gonna pop out of this range. Oh, sorry, Justin. I'm so sorry. You and my horse need to have some sick leave together, apparently. I'm so sorry. I really hope you're feeling better, but what exactly are you waiting for? Out of curiosity, again, sorry guys, sometimes I pull this face like I'm being judgy. I'm just curious about what your setup is. What are you waiting for? Are you looking for specific confluences? Are you looking for a fair value gap? You know, what setup are you waiting and hoping for? Hey, Envy. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I'm staying out. Hello. Cool, guys. Check. It would have been a win. That's frustrating. Man, okay. If this didn't come out and wick me out, this would have been a win. Oh well. I will take it as a win. I know it wasn't, theoretically, but I'll take it as a win. We will. I'm glad that the bigger range was good. I was happy with the confluences. That was just yucky. I didn't know about that 4:30 news, so. Oop. Yeah, exactly. Only true trader. Frustrating. Doesn't begin to describe it. Southwest Carp Hunter. Hey, what up? How you doing? Hey, Nox. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Hey Rithen, how you doing? 8:30 p.m. for you. Damn, it's late. Where are we at now? We are at 5 p.m. here. Why are the candles going so crazy now? What happened? Cool. Anyways, let's see. Right. Anyways, it's yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Very interesting. Justin, I will never judge. I never. Ever, ever. Like I said, I'm still learning things, and if things work, I don't think there's such thing as a silly strategy. It depends on the person and if it works for them. Like, I even believe that people waiting... What am I waiting for, Boom Banana? Boom, it should have been a win. No, check, it wicked me out here at break even. It should have been a win though. Sorry, Boom. It would have been so cool. If this stupid thing didn't happen here, it would have been a winning trade. Oh well, it is what it is, right? Can't cry over spilt milk. No, I'm joking. Spinning facts only, Shoe Trader. That's exactly it. Apple butter, you still here? You still in this? How's it looking for you? Oh, okay. Well, enjoy it. Are you gonna place some more trades today? Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, only on Wednesday. Okay, cool. Damn, Nox coming here and calling me out. Honestly. But yes. You're right. If I didn't move the break even, it wouldn't have taken me out and I would still have been in it and I would have won. Okay, cool. Marzia? You say it's breaking up. Do you think it's going to keep breaking up though? Stick with structure, right? Stick with structure. It did just take this, so I'm going to wait and see if there's a little bit of a bigger retest down. Because there could potentially be. Which means this... Oh. No, I don't... yeah, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that. This could be something to look at. Let's see. Oh, Curix, well done. That's amazing. Aha. Here we go. Whoop, whoop, all around. It's awesome. Marzia, you think enter after pullback? I agree. Here we go. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not doing this because I think there's going to be quite a decent pullback. I'm waiting to see if it's going to be a structure shift or if it's just a decent pullback because it took quite a bunch now. Thanks, Only True Trader. Yeah, listen, like I said, well, I'm not here to judge. I am still learning. I still make mistakes all the time. Marzia, what? No, don't do that. No. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. 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 Let's see. Let's see. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Thomas K, so I tend to look at the 15 minutes and the 1 hour for structure. So I'm gonna check here. 15-minute oh gosh. Okay, sorry, there's a lot of noise going on. Let me just quickly hide that. There we go. very much bullish on the 15-minute. And 1 hour, yeah. Right? This little 1 hour doji is not great though. Not a fan of that little doji on the 1 hour. But both very much bullish. Okay, we're okie dokie. I had this here, hey? Oh wait, yes, right there. So that would have been an entry. Watch this now be a win, just because I did not take it. Mr. Rithen, you're looking at gold? Okay. Marzia Long. Curix. I'm with trade. Risk it for the biscuit. Knox? Lady? Do I look like a lady? It's ma'am. No, I'm joking. Do not call me. Everybody, yay! Still, a win is a win. Whoop whoop. Poop. Okay, Marzia, let's see. Let's see if this would have been good. No. Eee. Oh no, I don't know how I feel about this one, Marzia. Let's see. Taking a little bit of micro, a little bit lower. Okay, volume down is a little bit of a higher push. Little tap into the fair value gap on ES. That potential. Right. Yeah, Chris, that's exactly it. I wasn't, yeah. Wasn't feeling 100% about this one. And if you're not feeling 100%, rather leave it alone, right? I mean, literally, if I had it here, would have already taken me out. No. Okay. So that one would have been a loss. I'm not gonna say I'm surprised. But now, let's see if we can get back in on it when it starts going up again, right? Yes, Marty, 100%. Okay, Marjan. Okay, let's see. What time do you normally take a trade, Marjan? Well, this is... I want to say decent. Let's have a look at the volume. Ames? I'm trading Nasdaq futures, the micros, so MNQ if you want to be more specific. Oh my gosh! Okay, so apparently that range was the one for here. What the heck? Okay. interesting, Chris. Are we gonna keep pushing up now? Have we decided what do we want to do? Yeah, LP, this is after nothing to having that pump. It's very weird. Yeah, go for it, Mazia. I just won't repeat it, but you can. Have fun. Brandon, see if it forms a head and shoulders. Okay. It's giving meme coin vibes. Okay. Brandon, sorry, the the first thing that popped into my head when you said that is the force is strong with this one, and I was like, oh gosh, no, there's the nerd coming in. I can't be saying things like that anyway. What? Only true trader? Why? This is so much fun. All these little wicks wicking out and being mean. Honestly. I mean, theoretically, we are still just sitting in a bit of a range. And don't in the middle, right? You know, end with just 2 break-even trades. I can't be upset about that. It's not the end of the world. As I say that, I now see this and I'm like, maybe, oh no, not maybe. Oh no, come Wi-Fi. Sorry, Wi-Fi's being blonde. Austin, you use the 15 minutes. Oh, okay, bye, Applebud, I love you. I'll see you tomorrow, right? We're gonna have a good one tomorrow. Yeah, okay. Righty then. Yeah, Dark Angel, 100%. I'm assuming nothing for you, right, Dark Angel? Because this is not fun. Technical analysis is nerdy. The nerd is strong with it. There we go, Brandon. That's much better. I prefer that. I'm gonna start. Ooh, okay. Interesting, Dark Angel. Are you gonna try or rather not in these conditions? Sorry. Sorry. I read your message now. Maybe. Watch this reach what would have been my TP. Just because I didn't take it. Bye. Okay. But, okay. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to deal with me talking through why I'm not upset about this. So, I mean, so, hear me out. Hear me out. I wouldn't want to give them my money either. Envy, interesting. Mark, really? Why? Why do you feel like there's going to be a breakout to the upside? Okay, that's the second time I've heard FOMC. Catch up. So I need. So that's why I said theoretically this isn't a bad one. I don't mind the setup because we have a fair value gap and order block. Would be better if the stop loss was a little bit lower as protection. However, we do not have the market structure right now. So those tend to be the main things I look for, and then the correct range. So there's obviously a little bit of discretion. Okay, Molly. No, that's valid. Valid, valid, valid. But if it does, I will still be grumpy. Okay, just saying. But in that same breath, right? In that same breath, I can't really be upset with how today has been, because I mean, it's been just a bunch of break evens. So it's not a losing day. We are just a break even day. It's not a loss. It's not a but trade what I see, not what I feel. But that's exactly right. I can't trade what I feel. I must trade what I see. And like I said, there's no proper structure going on at the moment. It is choppy. I don't do choppy. Brandon, I still want to see who's going to be correct now. So Brandon or Mark? So Mark, you think it's going to go up, right? And Mark, you think it's going to go down? I'm super curious to see what happens, guys. Let's have a look. See, so I'm going to quickly. So check. Would have gone for my stop loss very quickly. So we good. Lower prices, please. There we go. Okay, so that would have been a loss. So again, I'm glad, right? This is why we have rules. Isn't that right, Doc Angel? To your rules, or else you're just gambling away. We are not gamblers. We are traders. Can't do it anymore. I've had enough. I'm over the BS. You can get a PG-13. Let's see if we start to get some movement. If not, I might just have to call it here. And sorry, bit of a chill day. But again, break-evens aren't a losing day. It's just a day to learn, right? And again, like I said, there should have been a win. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh well. It could go up. We need a strong break of 480 for the reversal confirmation. Okay. It's... Okay, Mark, let's see. I'm super curious now. Who's gonna be right? And Nox, you think up. Ooh. Boom banana. There's nothing for me right now. Oh wait, let's see. Maybe something will pop up now. Then I might have another trade. Are you done trading, Boom? Ooh, Justin, okay. Okay, let's see. Justin, what would your entry be and stop loss and TP? Out of curiosity. Again, you don't have to tell me. Just curious. Did I consider using volume profile in my trading? I haven't. I've heard it's quite decent. Boom. Oh, you'll just trade London. Okay. Okay, Mark, let's have a look. If there's a proper breakout. Oh no, Thomas! Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Bye, Marzia. Yes, I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully it's a great one tomorrow. Like I said, let's have a look, see if anything decent. Ooh. Well, I mean, we have decent movement on ES. What did you say, Thomas? Let's see if little brother follows, right? Okay. This indicator reversals coming. 1 to 3. Oh, damn. Okay. Cheers, Marzia. I hope it's a great evening. And Brandon looks like selling. Ooh, okay. 1 hour candle low. Let's see if it's gonna keep going now. It did reject like a tiny bit off there. Bam 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 ba 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 ba. Okay. Taking some lows. If it continues to chop, I might call it a day. Let's see. If we get some decent movement, I might stick around. Let's see. I'm quite excited to see now what happens, but I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. I know you guys say patience, but it is getting later. I have placed 2 trades already for today. Let's not let my brain fry, right? It's only Monday. We still got the whole week of exciting trades. Ooh, it is going into the fair value gap on ES though. Yeah, Brandon, right? So that was thanks to Thomas. I must actually, Brandon, I'll find you what he said. It was so, I loved it. I loved it. Basically, ES is big brother, NQ's little brother, and yeah, I loved it. London lows. Watch me be wrong. Don't worry. Sometimes I do believe, even though we are little, markets love to come and spite us. Just for fun. Yeah, you're right, Dog Angel. I think you're gonna have to ask Thomas that one. Thomas? Oh, flip. Only 2 trading. You funny, hey? I'm glad you found this stream. You cool. You can stay. To be fair, all of you can stay. You guys are all awesome and all teach me so much. I'll give it 3 more minutes because, like I said, I like exiting on an even time because I'm weird like that. Yeah, we have fun here. That's the main thing. Dark Angel, did Bob take another trade or is calling it for today? Just oh, cool. So we're just being unpredictable today and doing whatever we want. That's fun. That's fun, right? So much fun. Wait, let me go double check how it looks. But earlier when I looked, it was horrendous. I was not enjoying. Oh no. What is that? Cool. I think it will eventually hop out of this. I mean, it has to, obviously, eventually. But right now is not one of those times. And my Wi-Fi is having a moment. No, do not have moments. We are good to go. So keep it together. Thanks. Okay. Like I said, guys, give me 2 seconds. I need to be extra sassy. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta be extra sassy. Extra sassy. Are you ready? Boom banana. I'm sorry. Are you telling me what to do? Sorry. I have to be super sass when it comes to boom. It's part of the fun. It keeps me entertained. But don't worry, boom. I probably am gonna close it for today. In all fairness, yeah, I think it's just going to be one of those days. Aw, thank you for the sub. Yeah. Yes, that only true trader, that's exactly it. This is just toxic. And that's a no trade zone, Dark Angel. 100%. This is just a bad Monday. This is not great. I'm about the trade that should have been a win. Boom. Oh my gosh. I know. Boom banana over here yelling now. Not just telling me, he's yelling at me. Do not ban him. He still has to hop on and do a session with me one day. Mark, yeah. Don't worry, Boom. I'm not trading anymore for today, I promise. I'm just here having a good giggle. Thomas, okay. Yeah. That's very good. I like that. Okay, but anyways. Yeah. 100 envy, it's part of the fun of me just talking absolute rubbish in the background. Oh yes, let's do it, Boom. Let's do it. I'm excited. Okay, but I'm gonna call it there then for today. Yeah, thank you guys for today. It was so much fun. Me. Not so much fun on the charts today, but fun sitting here learning with you guys, chatting with you guys. That's always amazing. So if you guys, or you saw throughout the session that I now have some affiliates. So if you guys want to help out, that'll be awesome. I'm not saying you have to, but yeah, if you want to, you can just use my code TEACHMAYA. Sweet and simple. But well, I mean, then you guys also get a discount, so winning. What? Thomas K, you got 50 points per contract. Okay, I'm gonna leave there before I get all faulty. Hell yeah, only true trader. I will see you guys then tomorrow. You guys are awesome. There we go. You guys are amazing. I'm super excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow I get to trade the whole day. Yay! Today was only a half day. It was a bit of a bummer. But tomorrow is a full day. I'm hoping there's a little bit more action. Okay, but I love you guys madly. I will see you either London or New York tomorrow, hopefully. But yeah, I love you guys madly. Have an amazing day/evening. Love you guys. Bye!